Hello everyone, I am Sai Harshvardhan Madhavarapu. I am currently pursuing my third year in Bachelor's of Technology in the specialization of Machine Learning at Kakinada Institute of Engineering and Technology. Recently, there is a workshop that was conducted in our college which was known as the Front-End Development Workshop, and I had participated in that and completed the HTML portion in that course. And today, let us look at the projects that I have done after learning from the workshop. These are the projects that I have done after learning from the course, and this is my first project, which is known as the Restaurant IDC. And in this project, I had created a website for the restaurant. In this program, I had defined the doc type tag. It indicates the version and the type of the HTML document, which is here. After that, there are three main tags in the HTML document. They are the head, body over here, and the footer tag. They indicate the header section and the body section and the footer section in the web page. And after that, I had indicated the style section. In the style section, we can define more properties of the elements of the HTML. And after that, in the body section, I had used the div container tag. And in that, I had used the h1 tag, which is also known as the main heading element in the HTML. And I had given the title as Italian Delight Cuisine. And I had used the I and U tags, which are the italic font style and the underline style of the tag. As you can see here, it got affected at this place. And after that, there is a navigation section that I had used, and I used buttons in the navigation section. And here are the buttons that are in the navigation section. And after that, in the section, I had used the IMG image tag to give images to the HTML document. And I had placed it and I had defined the height and the width of the images, and the images are placed over here. And after that, I had used the H2 heading tag and gave menu as the title, and I had defined the table over here. And as you can see, the menu heading has placed over here, and the heading and and the table is placed here. In the table, there is a T head section which defines as the header section of the table, and the TR defines as the row of the table, and the TH defines as the heading of the table items. As I had given the table items as the item price and special offer, they get printed here in the table at the top as the T head is given. And after that, in the T body, I had given the TR, which is known to place the values in the rows of the table. I had given the TD, which is known as the description of the table. By using the TD, we give the values of inside the table in the columns of these heading elements. As you can see here, I gave these as the descriptions of the table, and they got printed over here. And after that, I had designed the whole table, and I used the marquee tag. This marquee tag is used to show offers in the web page. As we can see, the marquee tag is here. It rotates throughout the web page. And after that, I had used the H2 heading tag and the paragraph tag to define the timings of the restaurant. And after that, I had used the form section and I had created labels for giving the name as the input and the email as the input, and they get shown upon here. By typing in this, we can get the name and the input as the input. Sorry, name and the email as the input. Coming to the footer section, I had placed a button to get to my mail ID, and I had used the end copy, which shows us the copyright symbol in the web page, which is over here. And the button that I had used it to send an email to my email is over here. So this is my second project, and in this project I had used the same elements that I have used in the previous project, which are hidden section, header section, body section, and the footer section. And here, as you can see, in the header section, I had used the main heading and the paragraph section, and in the navigation section, I had used it and pasted the links over here by using the anchor tags. The anchor tags are mainly used to provide and to preview the links in the web page. And I had used the section tag over here, and mostly in this program, I use inline styles. So with the inline styles, we can see the styles and properties of the HTML elements easily, and we can look at them. And here I had used the article sections. The article section is used to write the article type content in the web page. and I had used three of them. And as you can see, those three are over here, and the navigation section is over here. And I had used the ID section, and the class section is different than the ID section, as the class section can be used for as repeatedly in the whole program, and the ID section is used only for once. And in that ID section, use the merge stack topic and machine learning topic and the responsive website topic, and I had used the paragraph content. So as you can see here, the ID section of overall comes over here, the heading, the paragraph. This whole is stored under the ID section of the merge stack, and after that the machine learning, and after that the responsive side. I used the image tag to show preview the images over here by this img source tag. And this, as you can see here, there is a alt text. This alt text shows up whenever the image stops loading in the web page. And coming to the footer, I used the end style, which is the corporate style that I have set in the previous project. And I had used the anchor tags to show the LinkedIn, GitHub, and Twitter links. And here I used the bold text to make text bold, which can be used to display by using the strong tag. So and also I linked the page topic to the fix. As you can hear, this is the merge stack of box data. And if I click over here, it goes to the merge stack section. And if I click over here, it goes to the machine learning section. And if I go and click over here, it goes to the responsive website section. So in this way, the blog project works. So coming to the another project, this is a portfolio project that I have done. And I had used the title over here in the heading tag as the project portfolio, which shows over here at the top of the web page. And I used the style section to define the properties of the elements of the HTML document. And in the header section, I had given the main heading element as the project portfolio, which shows over here. And in the navbar, I had used the UL, which is known as the unordered list. And there is another thing which is known as the OL, which means as the ordered list. And I had defined as the li, which tells us about the list. And I had given the anchor tags, which shows over here, which are used to navigate to the web page. And after that, the body section, I had given the section ID. This ID is known as the about. So as there is only one about me in the web page. So in this web page, I had used the section ID and not a class ID and not a class. And I had defined the heading name as about me, and had given the paragraph content over here, and I had created a box, and I placed an image inside the box, and I had given an actor event. So as you can see here, I had given the image of the iPhone, and I had given the link to buy an iPhone. So after that, so as you can see here, I had used the same class names. So the ID elements cannot be repetitively used in the HTML, but the class names can be used repetitively. So I had used the same class name project over here. The both elements similar in the shape. I had just changed the images over here. And after that, I had used the another list inside the code, and they come over here. The another list are denoted with the dot symbols, and the ordered list are denoted with the Roman numbers or the integers or others. And lastly, I had used the form and the field set. By using the form and the field set, I had used the contact us legend name, which shows up over here, and the labels, name, email, and message, and the values to take in. I had created spaces over here, and lastly, I had used the send message button, which is used to submit the details. So this is the form section of the web page. So this is my third web page project. So coming to my next project, it is a resume. So this resume project has used the two main elements of over here. They are the article element and linking a web page to another web page. So as you can see here, I have used the section elements, the class elements, the heading elements, major elements, main heading elements and all. And also the unordered list and the list elements. As you can see, they are previewed over here. And I had used the style section to style my web page components. So I had used the style section to give this box style effect in my web page. And I had defined the skills, education, and certifications in my web page by using the heading elements and fulfillments, and also the red list elements. And as you can see here, for more projects, there is an anchor element over here. Click here. It says click here. There in the experience section. So as you can see in the experience section, I had used the anchor element. So I had pasted anchor. Sorry, I pasted the portfolio file over here in this folder so that I could easily access it. So when I give the anchor element href link as the dot slash portfolio dot html and so say click here, and when I click here it goes to the portfolio website. So I click here and it had gone to the portfolio website. So in this way the anchor elements work, and we can give the file of the another HTML file which are in the same folder to quickly go between the both web pages. So you can see here, this is my final project, this HTML portion. It is known as the alt tags. I had used every tag that I had learned so far. So in the header section, I had used the h1 tag, which is known as the main heading element. And after that, I had used the now section, which shows the now bar. And in that, I had used the unordered list and the anchor tags to show links. And I had linked the every element to the other parts of the web page. After that, I had used the image tag to show the image of mine over here. And after that, I had used the ID section to display the video, the web page. So to display video, uh, we need a video tag, and we can uh, write controls that to display the controls in the video. Like as you can see over here, there are controls of the video. So to show them, we need to write controls, and after that, we specify the width and the height of the video. And after that, the source of the video needs to be written over here, and the type of the video is a must. So to tell what type of the video is it, like is it an MP4 video or other. So after that, there is an audio section. So in that audio section, it is similar to the video section. We just need to change to the audio, and we need to give the audio file, and we need to give the file type as the audio or MP3, audio slash MP3. So for that, I had given an audio file and closed the audio. So after that, I had given the YouTube video section over here with the ID tag, and here I had given the iframe tag. So the difference between the iframe tag and the video tag is that video tag for video tag we need to download the video and keep it in the same folder, and we need to link the video to this code. But for the iframe tag, it is completely different. We need to go to the YouTube and we need to embed the YouTube video, and we can place the YouTube video link over here. So by placing the YouTube link, we get the YouTube video like here, like this. So after that, I had used the details ID tag. So the details ID tag is simply like a drop-down menu. So as you can see over here, I had given the summary and I had given the B tag, which makes the text bold. I had written the top of the AI tool section, and I had given below the ordered list as the Chat GPT, GTP, Claude AI, Gemini. And as you can see, if I click over here in this arrow, there is a new section opening up. So in this way, the details tag forces us to a drop-down menu to view a list. So this is the projects that I have done after learning the course. So thank you.